Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, Priyanka, Shweta. Good morning, Kedar. So good, we have people joining us. Already 20 people. So, hello everyone. Welcome to Reshape Nation's live workout. I think we have 26 people, so we can get started, right? So, my name is Priyanka, and so today, as you know, we are going to do partner workout. So, let me introduce you to my workout partner today, my husband Ravi.
Hi, hello everyone, good morning. How are you guys doing today? It's great to see so many people joining us live. Great.
We are already having 40 people.
Good morning, Saroj.
Okay, so
Shall we get started?
yeah, I think we can start with warm up. We are 43, so let's get started.
Yeah, it will be fun. And one more thing, guys, since it's a partner workout, do let us know who you are working out with today.
Yeah.
Who is your workout partner, your parents, your kids, your spouse, friends, roommates, whoever it is, do let us know in comment.
Also,
Great.
do let us know where are you joining from. Okay, so let's get started with warm up.
Sure.
So let's start with head rotation. Reverse. Okay. Shoulder rotation. Reverse. Okay. Arm stretching. Make sure your shoulder is below chin. Chin is touching shoulder. Another hand. Okay. Now we'll do twist one side and then another side. 3 pulses you can give at one side. So first right, left, and last time. Okay, next hip rotation. Reverse. Now knee rotation. Reverse. Okay. Next we'll do side lunges. 1, 2, 3. Last. Okay. Now let's do some jumping on same place slowly. Speed up. Butt kick. Okay, we'll do some jumping jack. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay. So we are done with warm up, guys. So let me see whose partner, who is doing workout with who. We have 100 plus people. Good morning, everyone who has joined late. Okay, so guys, do let us know in the comments who are you working out with. You may, if you, I understand some people will be alone, but so many of you will have roommates or parents at home or even children. Anyone can be your partner. So just get engaged, whoever you have at home. So I think we can start.
Yes, we can.
So let's start the exercises.
So let's get your mat.
Yeah, we will need mat as well, guys. So make sure you have one.
Okay guys, so the first one that we'll be doing is, we'll just go, we'll bend our first knee, then second knee, come up and then jump. Okay, so here the coordination is the key. So when the second time when you are doing it, the other knee should go down first. So first time when I have done, I went with my first knee down. Now second, I'll go with my right knee, or left knee, come up, stand and jump. Got it? Okay.
I think we'll show one more time.
Yes. Will do? Okay.
First right knee down.
Left knee, up and jump. Okay?
Left knee.
Now left knee, right knee. And if you are working out alone, so what you can do is, you can left knee, right knee, up and jump. So we'll start. 3, 2, 1, go. Keep going, guys. Good. Yes. So how was
We
it?
take 30 seconds.
Okay, 30-second break. So how was the coordination with your partner? To let us know in the comment. Good morning everyone. Okay.
So we'll do one more time.
One more time we'll do it. We'll repeat. Shall we start? 3, 2, 1, go. Last one. Great.
It was. So guys, was it confusing? We had to coordinate with our legs.
And with the partner as well.
Yes. It was. Do let us know, were you able to coordinate or it was a confusing one for you?
It was fun.
Yeah. So, wow, people are doing workout with their children, husband, me and myself. Yes, I understand. Yeah. Wow.
Great.
Great. So, let's get going.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay. So now this time we'll do partner square. So what you have to do is hold the hand of your partner. Okay. So we have held the right hand together. So now we'll go down. Full square. Okay. If you are beginner, then don't do full square. You can do half square. Let me show you. Okay. Good. Good. This is half square. And if you want to do full square, you can do. Good. And now same thing with the other hand. If you are working out alone, then you can do either half square or full square and then go up. Okay? We start?
Yeah.
We'll start with the holding the right hand first. 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. We'll do one more time, guys. Let's take 30 seconds break. If you want to drink some water, you can have.
Don't pull your partner too much, otherwise the other one will fall on you. So, commit. We'll do the second set now. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
8,
8, 9,
10.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll do one more set, guys. 3 sets.
We'll do 2. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last. Good.
Good.
So how's it going, guys? So let us know. Show us your thumbs up, your love through emoticons. Okay. Okay, we'll do the next exercise. It's leg circling. So we have to lay down on the mat. You can lay down there. So if you see, keep your legs aside your partner legs, and then we'll do a full circle. We'll show you how. Okay, we're going to set up this. 3, 2, 1, go. Like this. Try to keep your legs straight. Don't bend the knee. But if you find it difficult, you can bend your knee a bit. And if you're working out alone, then you can do leg circle. And give support from your hand here. Light and gentle. We'll start, guys. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now next set, we'll reverse the direction of our leg circle.
So if you went clockwise this time, you have to go anti-clockwise this
Yes.
time.
Let's start. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So guys, take a break. We'll do 2 more sets for this same exercise.
Yes. So take a water break.
I hope you all are sweating like us.
But it's fun.
Okay.
You do?
Shall we start? Second set?
3, 2, 1, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
It's burning. Yes.
Good, good.
Anti-clockwise?
Yes. 3, 2, 1, start. Last one. There.
So guys, are you enjoying? It needs a lot of coordination with your partner, so I'm pretty sure that you guys are having fun guiding each other, which leg to take first, which way to go first. Isn't it, with so much fun? Sometimes we don't feel like doing workout alone. That's why it's good to have partner with you. So keep commenting. How is it going? Are you guys laughing more and doing exercise less? Most of the time is going in coordination. It may happen, if you are doing the coordination partner workout exercises first time. Okay, so we'll keep going.
This is the last set of it.
Yeah.
Let's start. 3, 2, 1, go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oof. Anti-clockwise.
Yes. 3, 2, 1, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oof.
So 3 sets are done for this exercise too.
Okay.
Just relax a bit.
Keep doing some stretching in between, just for you to keep going.
Have some water. next one will be knee raises. So in this one of the partner will be doing the high knee raises, other partner will be squat position. So we'll show you how can you be in squat position. So she is in squat position right now, and I'll be doing high knee raises. Okay. So if you are working out alone, then you can do this way. Keep your hand straight and then got it, guys? So we have started with the exercise.
First I go start.
Yes, we do. 3, 2, 1, start. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now it's my turn to go in squat position. Ready?
3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good.
Okay. So I think we can continue this without break.
Yes. 3, 2, 1, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good.
Okay. I hope you took your knee, up.
Try to take your knee up and touch the hand of the other partner.
So we'll take 30 seconds break and we'll do a last set of this.
Yes.
Let me see the comments by then. Busy with partner seems no comments here. It's okay. During the break, you can drop us comments and. Wow. Good. So let's finish this exercise by completing third set.
3, 2, 1, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh.
Take some break, guys. We'll do next set. And then soon.
So you can feel your heart pumping.
All charged up. Great. Let us know how is it going for you guys. Yes, amazing workout. Thank you everyone. Okay, let's start with the next exercise. So this one will be in the plank position, and then we'll go high plank, and then we'll clap with the partner. So if you are working out alone, then go with the in plank position first, and then high plank, and then come back again in the plank position. Got it? We'll start the exercise now. So first, lay down. Now, once we start, come in plank position, high plank, and clap.
So we are doing 10-10?
Yes. 3, 2, 1, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So guys, if you see, if this one is about the coordination, So when you're coordinating with your partner, okay, when to go low plank, high plank, clap, it's all about coordination.
Take some break, and now we'll change the position.
Now we'll switch the position with our partner because we have to clap the other hand. We'll repeat the exercise, but from the other side now.
Ready? Or we need, I think, 15 seconds break more.
Sure, we can. And take.
Okay.
It's good to see so many guys joining us. We'll start. Now same exercise will repeat from the other side. Come in this position. Let's start. 3, 2, 1, now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. 10. Great. So 2 sets are done. We'll do one more set.
So guys, getting better now, lovely. So I hope, I am getting a lot of sweat.
Take some breath. Yeah.
It's burning, but it's a good feeling. And it's really good even if we start our, day with these workouts. So it keeps us energetic throughout the day. That's my personal experience. I hope you feel the same. Oh. Great. So we'll do one more set with the same exercise.
Yes. Now again we'll switch the position. Let's start.
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3,
4,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh.
Okay.
I think for beginners it is enough. If they want to stop right there, they'll complete this set. Like people who are experts, who are regular in the exercises, I think they should be okay. Let's switch to place, take some break. Last.
Yeah, last set of the exercise. Let's start.
Yeah. We can.
3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7,
7, 8,
8, 9,
10.
10. Oh, we are done with this exercise.
After this, we just have one more exercise left. It will be fun. It will be again more about coordination and a trust with your partner. Take some break before that. Have some water if you want.
So guys, I think plank position is itself people find difficult who are not regular in the exercises, but this was a variation in plank, so you don't have to stay at just low plank or high plank for continuous time. So it gives it makes us it little easy. I feel so. Do let us know if you found this version of plank easy than the doing continuous plank for 1 minute, 2 minutes, all together. Yeah.
Yeah, we did a bit variation in the plank, low plank, high plank, and the clap. That makes it a bit intense.
Okay.
So, let us know how is it going so far for you.
Did you find it easy or was it the difficult than usual plank? Okay, so we have one more exercise. Let us show you.
Just a minute, I will check this. So in this one, okay. First in the standing position, both of us. Other partner will go, lie down, roll over, and come back. Okay, she will show you. Can you?
So when we go down, we have to go with momentum.
Now give support to your partner to stand up. Can you show one more time, please?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can stand in this position, one leg ahead of other leg, or if you find it comfortable with both the leg together, you can do that. Just start. You can do it one more time, please.
Yeah.
So stand and then she will go down, roll over, and come back.
3, 2, 1.
Good.
So guys, when you go down, you have to, go with momentum so that you can roll over, which gives you, kick back to stand.
And while coming, just give support to your partner to stand up. We'll start.
Yeah. And slowly, we can try to stand up on our own.
Then we'll show you.
Yeah.
We'll start. 3, 2, 1, go. 1. Good. 2. 3. If we see, I have removed my hand. Now she can do by herself. Good. Easy. Last 2.
I think we can go till 10.
Easy. Okay. Good. Good.
How many?
Yeah. One last set. So as you see, in the last of exercise, she was able to stand by her own. She didn't need my support. So that's where the trust comes into picture. So let us know how is it going with you guys. Were you able to stand without the support, or you were taking support? So let us know. Now it's my time to roll over. Ready? 3, 2, 1, start.
1, 2, 3. Now try without support. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Without support, guys. 9, and last
Yeah.
10. So
If you have proper momentum, you can stand without the support. Try that once.
that was the last exercise, but we are thinking to do one more set.
It was fun, so we'll do one more set of it.
Okay. So I hope it is going as fun.
So this time, can I challenge you to stand up without the support?
Yeah, I'll start directly without support.
Okay. I'll just see her. I'll observe her how she's doing. I'll be standing here. Just in case if you need support, I'll get support. Good.
3, 2, 1.
Good. Super. 2, 3. Good. two, 5, 6.
7,
Just last 3. You can do it.
8,
Good.
9,
Just last one.
10.
Super. So did you guys try that without the support? So yeah, Manohar without support, Yogendra without support, Jairam without support. That's great. Saroj taking support, Madhu without support. That's great to know that people are doing without support as well and with support. With support is also completely fine. With practice, it will be easy and you will be able to do without support as well.
Now it's his turn without support.
It's a challenge for me, but I'll do it. You ready?
One,
Ah.
2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last 10.
Ah.
So we are done.
We're done with the exercise today.
We'll do warm up, go straight, cool down.
We'll do cool down. It's time to cool down, guys. So while cooling down, just keep your legs apart. Relax your body. Now, just swing your arms. Give a little pulse to your body. Now, we'll move both our hands towards our right feet. Come back in the middle. Towards left. Again in the middle. Towards right. Middle. Left. Middle. Now just swing your arms. Now come up. Just stretch, relax a bit. Loosen it. We good? We're done with the exercises.
So guys, that's it for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We are looking forward for your responses. Was it again difficult, easy, fun, complicated?
And how was the coordination?
Coordination issue. So next time when we have partner workout, so maybe you guys practice in advance how to coordinate. Okay, and so we have many people. So it was really pleasure to have you all with us, and we enjoyed. Yeah?
Yes, we did.
We enjoyed a lot, and it's going to be a fantastic day today for both of us, and we wish you the same, right?
Keep showing us your love through your emoticons, your messages, comments.
Yeah. So guys, have a wonderful day, and come back tomorrow morning 7 a.m. We'll be coming back with another exciting session on Facebook page of Reshape Nation. Please share your love with us by liking, sharing and commenting. Awesome guys. So bye.
Yeah, bye. Thank you.
Bye
very much, guys.
everyone.